Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can connect your account on Cloudflare with GitHub with a specific repository, for example. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Cloudflare, and what you want to do is expand the Compute tab on the left hand side and select Workers and Pages. Here click into Create Application in the top right. Next, choose Connect GitHub. What you want to do after that is make sure that you at the same time logged in with your GitHub account here on, for example, in the same browser. And after that, what you want to do is give Cloudflare the authorization and the permission to access your repositories. Now, you can select, for example, all repositories within your GitHub account or only a selected one. So if you'd like to choose a specific one, click into this option, select the given repository. I created this one here for demonstration purposes. That has been selected. You can remove it from that list. And at the final step, guys, give the authorization here. Wait for a brief moment. And there you go, guys. Although it showed me that there was an error, as you can see, it did work. The given repository has been connected, as you can see. And what you want to do is click into it, select next. And from here, you can set up your application via the GitHub repository. You may give it a project name here, and so on and so forth. And then final step, click into deploy here to finish or to complete the connecting or linking process. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.